guys, so it is Tessa here. In case you've never seen my face, hello, it is nice to meet you. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my go-to gym full body workout. So if you're looking to get a lean, toned, strong, dancer-like body, then this is definitely the workout for you. So yeah, it's my go-to. I promise you'll be waking up sore tomorrow. It's quick, it's not crazy hard, but it's super efficient. And if you want to get a solid full body workout and not at all have to worry about bulking, this is the workout for you. So yeah guys, without further ado, let's jump right on in. Okay, so we're simply going to start with these step overs. Grab a bench, chair, something like that. I'm holding two 10-pound weights here. And the main thing is just to get up as fast as possible and then control your landing down. So I like to do a little hop at the top. And yeah, keep your whole body parallel, keep your core and shoulder blades engaged so that you protect your spine. And yeah, these are oddly hard, but I promise they will work and they will get your legs burning. Now for hip bridges, I absolutely love these. I think they're pretty simple and I put them into pretty much every workout. So as you can see here, you are going to get an elevated surface such as a bench. Make sure all your weight is in your heels so that you engage the backs of your legs, your glute and hamstrings rather than the quads. And yeah, as fast up as possible and slow, controlled down. Now for the basic push-up. Now you can mix up the form, you can go wide, narrow, anything such as that. I do choose to use a bench because I'm still working on my upper body strength and I know form is most important, so I'm building my way up, but you can do these on the ground if you are strong enough. Now for the second circuit, as you can see my weird little second circuit dance. So these are single leg RDLs and I'm holding 10 pounds in each hand. Now we want to again make sure the weight is in our heels so that we engage the backs of our legs rather than the quads. Make sure the core is engaged, the back's engaged to protect the spine, and these are hard, so find your center of balance. As you can see, I'm trying to keep my elbows in line rather than letting them rock forward or back, and yeah, you'll feel this all over your body, I definitely promise. Now for the basic oblique mountain climbers. So I love these actually because they're so simple and they work so well. Think of engaging your obliques, the sides of your stomach, to bring your knee up so you'll really feel it in your shoulders and also in your obliques. They're great and they're so simple. Now this next exercise looks kind of funny and I just learned it, but I absolutely love it. So as you guys can see, you're going to go on your knees, full body parallel, hands on your head, and you're simply going to lean over to your side as much as possible while sucking your belly button in towards your spine. As you can see, you want to engage your obliques to bring your body up, the muscles on the sides of your stomach, so you can kind of see the line in my stomach. That's what I'm engaging. These are great for toning up the sides of your waist and just really working the core. And then of course I ended with a stretch, as I always do. I start and end my workouts with a stretch. The ending stretch is always more intense because I like to take advantage of my muscles being so warm, so I get into a deeper stretch. And yeah, it feels good. I also always roll my muscles out, break them up, reduce soreness, and also I think that it helps with creating lean muscle rather than bulking, and it just feels good. Okay guys, and now that I'm all sweaty and gross, I'm done with the workout, so I hope that you guys try this. Yes, it does kind of look hard, but I promise after you do it a couple of times, you will adjust to it, and it is such a good workout. It covers the whole body. It will lean, tone, strengthen your body without bulking. I promise you guys should do it and that you'll love it. And yeah guys, please like, subscribe, comment down below if you have any questions, anything like that. I hope that you enjoyed this video. It feels so good to be back on YouTube. I love you guys, and I will see you soon.